up, everybody? It's your girl Lavina coming back with another cash stuffing video. And today, you guys, we will be doing our batch content on my beautiful sinking fund binder. It says not a day over fabulous. Okay? Shout out to all the 50s and ups. We here for it, okay? We are here for it, and we here to talk about it, all right? We got some knowledge. We got some experience. We got some life experience, honey. What you want to know? All right. All right, so let me just go over what the budget was for my sinking fund. So my sinking fund, emergency fund, was going to get $10 because that was in my budget. So debt is going to get $10. Shopping is going to get $5. Car is going to get $5. Now that is for tax and things like that. Travel will be getting $5 as well. Credit cards will be getting $5. Transportation will be getting $5 in taxes, because you guys, now that I'm getting YouTube checks, I just figured I see y'all doing it. I need to start, paying a little taxes, not just letting them take it, but just having some money set aside for that. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's see if we got that. Here the count. So that is my budget. That came out of my Home Depot check, and it's all my checks combined. So it was my Home Depot check, my YouTube check, and my DoorDash check. Okay, you guys? Oh, and Jaden's child support check. So this batch contains all the funds for that. All right? Okay, so let's see if we got the money. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. We got to take a 5. I miscounted. All right, y'all. My battery is... Got to try to hurry up. But I love talking to y'all. So, emergency fund will be getting $10 today. 1, 2... Now my emergency fund has $110. Thank you, God, for this money. Debt, which is my KE loans, will be getting $10 as well. And we will be taking this and putting it into a separate envelope. So now KE has 1, 5, 10, 1, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is my KE budgets envelope. Oh, no, here it is. Whoops. Right here. And this will be going in here. Okay? Put her nice and tucked away. That is not to be touched. That is to grow, honey, and pay that loan off, baby, because that loan came on time. Shopping will be getting $5. This is my Christmas money. So now shopping has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. $330 today. Ooh, y'all, I can get some condensing going on there, honey. Car will be getting $5. I do need a car. It's time to start saving viciously for it. I don't know if I should say viciously, but I don't know what we're going to do with the bankruptcy. Okay. Oh, I didn't have insurance on here? Oh, I didn't have insurance on here this week, you guys. Travel will be getting $5. I even have a savings challenge for 2025 in here. Y'all, I'm not playing with them challenges. Credit card, it's time for me to figure out what's up with that. That will be getting $5. Transportation will be getting $5. Now transportation has 5, 6, 7, 8. And taxes will be getting $5 as well. Plan for the future. I got y'all IRS 2025. I mean for 2026, okay? So that is my high priority binder. Cash stuffing, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And happy Thanksgiving. I don't know if this video will be shown before or after. I don't know. Probably after. I don't know. Somewhere up in there. But I want y'all to enjoy y'all families, okay? We're not going to do nothing too big over here. But I will be in touch with you guys in the comments. If y'all got any questions or you just want to ask me something, my contact information is in the description as always. Shout out to my Cash App. It's also in the description as always, you know. And also if you guys want to send me any Happy Mail, just contact me and I'll give you a shipping address, and that is a goal too. Probably my next check. I will be getting the P.O. box in January though. I don't know if it's going to be my next check or not. Don't hold me to it. But if things keep rolling like the river, if they keep on doing like the things they doing, you know, great things are happening for me in my life right now, I will be able to afford a P.O. box. But right now, it's just not in the budget. But I do want some Happy Mail. You know, if y'all want to bless your girl with something, I love Happy Mail. Don't think I don't want it. I just, you know, it's just not in the budget right now. Okay, so if you guys like this kind of content, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for your girl. See you guys later. Bye.